Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something really important, how to take care of your kidneys naturally. Remember, while we share these tips for general wellness, always check with your doctor for personal advice. Let's start with something simple, water. Drinking enough water is essential for your kidneys. It helps them flush out toxins efficiently, keeping you feeling good. Eating well is key too. Foods that are full of antioxidants can really boost your kidney health. Think vibrant fruits and vegetables, berries, oranges, and bell peppers. Next, let's talk about salt. Too much salt can strain your kidneys. Using herbs and spices to flavor your meals is a tasty way to keep your salt intake down. Sugar is another thing to watch. High sugar levels can lead to diabetes, which is tough on your kidneys. Enjoying fruits for their natural sweetness is a great alternative to processed sweets. Moving your body has tons of benefits, including for your kidneys. Regular exercise helps keep your blood pressure healthy, which helps your kidneys function better. Some people use herbs like dandelion root and nettle leaf to support kidney health, but it's important to talk to your healthcare provider before starting any new herbal remedies. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle is crucial. Drinking less alcohol, quitting smoking, and finding ways to relax can all help keep your kidneys in shape. Just a reminder, these tips are about supporting your kidneys' natural processes, not treating kidney disease. It's all about helping your body do its best work. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful.